it's Mimi, part of Blitz. It's an artisan jewelry company that I just started in the last 2 years. And I've decided to start making things in small videos online. So today we're going to make earrings, I think. I think that's what we're supposed to make. Okay, we're going to make earrings. But we should tell a story while we make these earrings. And I'll explain everything as we go. Okay, first up, get these needle nose pliers. You gotta have needle nose pliers. These are awesome. Crimps. For this specific pair of earrings, we're gonna need these crimps. Round nose pliers. See them? That's wrong. That's wrong. Okay. So we're gonna make some dangly earrings today. And while we make these earrings, we're gonna talk about, I guess, childhood stories. We could do that one. I'll tell you one of my favorite stories. Got this chain right here. We're going to use the crimps to cut the chain in half. When I was about 6 or 7 years old, I think we're going to cut it in half again. I had this best friend named Brian. He had a sister named Eileen. Oh my God, we got into so much trouble when we were kids. But he was a lot of fun. Okay, so now we got 4 pieces. Everybody see that? 4 pieces. 2 of each piece. One day we had watched this movie about Evel Knievel's life. Evel Knievel was a man back in the day. And, okay, now we got fire. I'm gonna use these. They're awesome. Are they pretty? So we had this, I had this terrible idea that I was gonna do the trick that Evel Knievel had just done on TV, which was he had rode a motorcycle over a couple of buses. Of course, we were kids, so we didn't have a motorcycle. But since we didn't have a ramp to ride it, off into the sunset, we decided that we could use the back of his father's pickup truck. Now, O-ring. O-ring. There he is. Use pliers. Open the O-ring. We'll put our 2 pieces of chain on there. So we load the tricycle up on the back of the pickup truck. All the way far as the back as we can get. These are going to be really long. Close the ring. And I got on the tricycle. And, said my speech like he did before his video. Oh, that's going to be super long. And I took off on this tricycle. Now, my intentions were to go flying up in the air off the side, come down, land, skirt, perfect. You're going to bend that wire right there, take your clips, clip it on. Well, flip that bad boy over like that. Oh, these are going to be so long. It's going to be crazy. But instead, I came off the end of that pickup truck, nose first, straight down. Boop! Bust my whole face open. Tricycle pieces went everywhere. He took off running. The first person's house I could get to was his mom's, so, because we were in his front yard. Oh, look at those. Those are cute. They're super long. Let's see what they look like. So I run up to his house and, I knock on the door and I'm like, I just had an accident. I just fell off the back of the truck. And his mom says, go home, and shuts the screen door. So I run home, blood everywhere. I'm pretty sure Rocks were falling out of my teeth. And knock on my door. Well, then my dad comes to the door. And he sees me and he asks what happened. And I said, Dad, I just had an accident. I'm lying. I fell off the back of the truck at Brian's house. And he says, go in the bathroom, tell your mama to get off. So here I am, about 7 or 8. Sit in the bathroom, bleeding. With rocks just falling out of my chin.